The vast expanse of the open sea becomes a stage for one of the most critical preparations in modern military operations, as the Amphibious Ready Group Boxer, widely known as ARG Boxer, conducts an extensive series of combat simulations ahead of its anticipated deployment to the Middle East. Under the command structure of the United States Navy, this coordinated effort reflects not only a routine exercise but a calculated demonstration of readiness, adaptability, and strategic intent in a region that continues to demand global attention. The operation unfolds with precision, where every movement, every signal, and every decision is part of a larger design to ensure that forces are prepared for the unpredictable realities of modern warfare. At the heart of this powerful formation is the amphibious assault ship USS Boxer, LHD-4, a floating command center capable of projecting force across multiple domains. Surrounding it are supporting vessels, each playing a crucial role in forming a cohesive strike group that can operate independently or as part of a larger coalition force. The synergy between these assets is not accidental. It is the result of years of doctrinal evolution, technological advancement, and relentless training. As the ships cut through the waters, the simulations begin, transforming the calm ocean into a complex battlefield scenario designed to test every aspect of operational capability. The focus of these exercises extends far beyond simple maneuvering. Personnel are engaged in high-intensity drills that simulate real-world combat conditions, including amphibious landings, aerial assaults, and coordinated strikes. Marines and sailors operate side by side, embodying the joint force philosophy that has become a cornerstone of modern military doctrine. Through these simulations, the ARG Boxer refines its ability to respond to emerging threats, ensuring that every unit can function seamlessly under pressure. The integration of air assets, including advanced helicopters and fighter aircraft, adds another layer of complexity, requiring precise timing and flawless communication to achieve mission objectives. As the simulations progress, the importance of intelligence and situational awareness becomes increasingly evident. Advanced surveillance systems and communication networks are put to the test, enabling commanders to make informed decisions in real time. The ability to gather, process, and act upon information is a decisive factor in any conflict, and the ARG Boxer is leveraging cutting-edge technology to maintain an advantage. These capabilities are particularly crucial in the context of the Middle East, a region characterized by dynamic geopolitical landscapes and evolving security challenges. The training scenarios are designed to replicate a wide range of potential threats, from conventional engagements to asymmetric warfare. This comprehensive approach ensures that the forces are not only prepared for large-scale conflicts, but also capable of addressing smaller, more unpredictable challenges. Urban warfare simulations, for example, require troops to navigate complex environments where the distinction between combatants and civilians may not always be clear. Such scenarios demand not only tactical skill, but also disciplined judgment and adherence to rules of engagement. Beyond the technical and tactical aspects, the human element remains a central focus of the training. The physical and mental resilience of the personnel is continuously tested, pushing them to operate at peak performance under demanding conditions. Long hours, high-pressure situations, and the constant need for vigilance create an environment that mirrors the realities of deployment. Through this process, the ARG Boxer builds not only competence but also confidence, ensuring that every individual is ready to fulfill their role when it matters most. The strategic significance of these exercises cannot be overstated. As global powers monitor developments in the Middle East, the presence and readiness of forces like the ARG Boxer serve as both a deterrent and a reassurance to allies. The ability to rapidly deploy and sustain operations in the region underscores a commitment to maintaining stability and responding to crises as they arise. While the simulations are conducted far from the immediate theater of operations, their impact resonates on a global scale, shaping perceptions and influencing strategic calculations. Coordination with allied forces is another critical component of the training. Modern military operations often involve multinational cooperation, requiring interoperability between different systems, doctrines, and command structures. By incorporating elements of joint and combined operations into the simulations, the ARG Boxer ensures that it can effectively integrate with partner nations if the need arises. This level of preparedness is essential in a region where coalition efforts have historically played a significant role in addressing security challenges. Logistics, often described as the backbone of military operations, is also rigorously tested during these exercises. The ability to sustain forces over extended periods, manage supply chains, and maintain equipment readiness is vital to mission success. Every aspect of support, from fuel and ammunition to medical services, is carefully coordinated to ensure that the ARG Boxer can operate independently in a demanding environment. These logistical rehearsals are as crucial as the combat simulations themselves, providing the foundation upon which operational effectiveness is built. As the days of training continue, patterns begin to emerge, highlighting areas of strength and identifying opportunities for improvement. After-action reviews play a key role in this process, allowing commanders and personnel to analyze performance, learn from mistakes, and refine tactics. This cycle of continuous improvement is a defining characteristic of professional military organizations, enabling them to adapt to changing conditions and maintain a competitive edge. The technological dimension of the exercises is equally significant. From advanced weapon systems to sophisticated communication platforms, the ARG Boxer leverages a wide array of tools to enhance its capabilities. Cybersecurity measures are also integrated into the training, reflecting the growing importance of the digital domain in modern warfare. Protecting networks and ensuring the integrity of information systems are essential tasks that require constant vigilance and expertise. Environmental factors add another layer of complexity to the simulations. Weather conditions, sea states, and geographic considerations all influence the execution of operations. By training under varying conditions, the ARG Boxer ensures that it can adapt to the challenges it may encounter in the Middle East. This adaptability is a key factor in maintaining operational effectiveness, allowing forces to respond to unexpected ballistics with confidence and precision. The role of leadership is evident at every stage of the exercise. Commanders are tasked with making critical decisions under pressure, balancing risk and reward while maintaining the overall objective. Their ability to inspire, guide, and coordinate their teams is a decisive factor in the success of the mission. Through these simulations, leaders at all levels gain valuable experience, preparing them to navigate the complexities of real-world operations. Public attention and media coverage often focus on the visible aspects of military deployments, but the extensive preparation that precedes them is equally important. The combat simulations conducted by the ARG Boxer represent a culmination of planning, training, and dedication, reflecting the commitment of the personnel involved. While the outcome of future missions cannot be predicted with certainty, the level of preparedness achieved through these exercises provides a strong foundation for success. As the final phases of the training approach, the emphasis shifts toward integration and synchronization. All elements of the ARG Boxer come together in complex scenarios that require seamless coordination and execution. These culminating events serve as a comprehensive test of the group's capabilities, demonstrating its readiness to undertake the challenges that lie ahead. The lessons learned during this period will continue to inform operations long after the deployment begins in the broader context. The activities of the ARG Boxer are part of a larger strategic framework aimed at maintaining balance and stability in key regions. The Middle East, with its intricate web of alliances, rivalries, and interests, remains a focal point of global security considerations. The presence of well-prepared and capable forces contributes to a sense of stability, even as underlying tensions persist. Ultimately, the story of the ARG Boxer's combat simulations is one of preparation, resilience, and determination. It is a testament to the professionalism of the men and women who serve, as well as the systems and structures that support them. As they stand on the threshold of deployment, their readiness reflects not only the success of their training, but also their commitment to fulfilling their mission, whatever challenges may arise in the complex and ever-changing landscape of the Middle East. As the final echoes of coordinated commands fade across the decks and the last phase of simulations draws to a close, a quiet but powerful realization settles over the Amphibious Ready Group Boxer. What has just taken place is more than a routine exercise. It is a transformation. Every drill, every calculated maneuver, and every split-second decision has forged a level of readiness that cannot be improvised when real conflict emerges. The transition from training to potential reality is no longer a distant concept, but an imminent possibility that every member of the force now understands with clarity and resolve. Across the vast steel structure of USS Boxer LHD-4, the rhythm of activity begins to shift. Maintenance crews conduct final checks, ensuring that every system is functioning flawlessly. Pilots review flight logs, refining their understanding of each scenario they have just executed. Marines clean and secure their equipment, their movements deliberate, disciplined, and reflective of the intense preparation they have just completed. There is no sense of complacency, only focus, only readiness. The significance of this moment extends far beyond the confines of the ships themselves. Under the banner of the United States Navy, ARG Boxer stands as a symbol of operational excellence and strategic capability.